welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Vamos a empezar. Hola, welcome back. So today I'm so excited because I got a PR package from Double Dip Nails and I absolutely love Double Dip. All their products are amazing. They just came out with a new polygel kit, so I'm gonna be trying to get my hands on that soon. But they sent me 4 beautiful colors just in time for Christmas, Grinch Day, Jelly Time, Spiked Egg, and Winter Sleigh. I believe the green and the red are a part of their Christmas collection, and the Spiked Eggnog might be a part of the winter collection, the fall collection, sorry. But these are all so pretty and they're all so different, so I'm gonna be coming up with some looks for y'all. But today we're gonna try these out with acrylic monomer because y'all know I'm not the greatest at acrylic, but I'm doing my best, y'all. I'm learning. So I used to do acrylic so much, but you know when you lose the technique and you haven't practiced in forever, so it just becomes harder to do. So I am still working on my liquid to bead ratio. Just bear with me. I am having fun with this mostly, and I just like to record the fun that I have so y'all can see exactly what I do and how I do it. So I'm just swatching all these for y'all, and look how pretty they are. I love when they look like this. And they look the same too when they're actually dipped. So I'm gonna be using Spiked Eggnog mixed with some other ones that I have, and y'all, my stock is it's growing which I love. But so I put in some short tips today because some of y'all have been requesting some short nails. Now I'm pretty sure acrylic isn't ideal to do nails, but I will do the polygel short nails too coming up. I'm just getting around to doing a couple of different videos and different looks for y'all. It's just been really busy with the holidays, especially with these amazing giveaways that I have going on my Instagram channel, so make sure you check those out. Also, y'all, don't forget I have a code that you can use, Anais10, for all double dipped products, and just go on their website and check it out so you can save some money. I am just grabbing a bead, and for some reason this one was a little difficult to do. I don't know why. I don't know if it was powder. I don't know if it was my liquid to bead ratio, but all my other ones came out so smooth and I had the same exact liquid. So I don't know. I might have just done it wrong, but this one was giving me a hard time, so do not pay mind to the ugliness that is this stuff, okay? Do not judge me. Please give me some tips though on liquid to bead ratio because y'all, it just changes all the time. So this one, look how smooth this was. Look how easy that was to move around. I was so upset. I'm like, why is this one so much easier? This is how I remember acrylic being. But hey, whatever. It is a learning curve, and I'm working on it and just making sure that I am perfecting it and learning more day by day. So I believe this one was Hot Fudge, and then I'm just gonna use Best Buddies on my middle and ring finger, and then I use Expensive Pink on my pinky. So I'm gonna let y'all see that. It gets pretty easy from here on out. It doesn't look ugly like the first finger, but just, I'm gonna keep practicing on my liquid to bead ratio. I thought it was a really fun, easy look, and I'll let y'all watch. y'all, so after I finished, I went ahead and buffed shaped my nails. And as you may know, dip slash acrylic is a little harder to file if you've dealt with it before. That's why when I do my dip with dip I try my best to perfect it the first time around. That way I really only have to fix my edges, so just keep that in mind. I am using a gel top coat, so I am doing this on all my nails, curing that for 60 seconds, and then with the middle and ring finger I went ahead and did some gem work because these nails just needed some extra bling, y'all. So it was pretty easy. I'll link everything that I used down below, and enjoy. Alright, y'all, so after I cured that for 60 seconds, this is the final look. Now my cuticles are looking kind of crusty, so I just went in and put some oil to rejuvenate those babies. But that's it. It's pretty simple, it's pretty fun, and I always honestly like working with acrylic, you know, even though it like stresses me out sometimes. Really, when you continue to practice, you continue to get the technique down, and that's really what's all about, just having fun and keep practicing. So thank y'all so much for watching. If you're not a part of the DIY Familia, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. And everyone else, thank you all for your support, your love, and I'll see you en la próxima.